Are you looking to spice up your French fries? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. Spicy garlicky gochujang sauce that you drizzle over your French fries. And let me tell you, once it hits the lips, you will not be able to stop. I'm serious. 오늘의 레시피. 매콤한 프렌치 프라이 소스 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어를 함께 하겠습니다. I've never had French fries this good before. My mouth is salivating more because I put the sauce in my mouth. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. To make our highly addictive spicy French fry sauce, I have 1 tablespoon of gochujang, and to this we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of your favorite ketchup. I'm using Heinz. Sir Kensington would also be nice too. And to this we're gonna add half a tablespoon of water and 1 teaspoon of brown rice vinegar, but you could use any white vinegar too, or apple vinegar. And then we're just gonna mix this. Ooh, I could already smell the tangy spiciness from this mixture. So just mix it well until everything's blended well, like so. Set your heat to high, place your frying pan and let it preheat for about a good minute. So we have 1 tablespoon of salted butter and half tablespoon of minced garlic. And then we're gonna lower our heat to medium and tilt our frying pan at an angle like that. And to this, we're gonna add our butter. Once the butter is almost melted, we're gonna add our half tablespoon of finely minced garlic. And with your heat remaining at medium, we're just gonna warm up our garlic. We're not gonna brown it. We're just gonna let it kind of get warmed up and absorb all this delicious butter. We're gonna do this for about good 30 seconds on medium heat. Oh, already the buttery garlic smell is amazing. We're gonna add this to our sauce mixture. I told you it will be garlicky and delicious. And we're just gonna quickly mix all this together. Oh, look at this velvety goodness. Mix until everything's mixed well, and so that it's kind of like a gravy consistency, like so. Here I have some store-bought frozen fries that I just heated up in my toaster oven. So you could put the sauce on the side and have it as like a dipping sauce, like that. Oh, that's gonna literally take over your mouth. I'm salivating right now. Just looking at the sauce, I'm salivating. I've just been like drooling in my mouth making this sauce. Bon appetit! Oh, I've never had French fries this good before. The sauce is garlicky. It's salty enough from the gochujang. That's why I didn't add salt to the butter and garlic when we sauteed it. And the tanginess from the vinegar, slight vinegar, and the ketchup, you could taste it just a little bit in the background. My mouth is salivating more because I put the sauce in my mouth. What I like to do is drizzle the sauce like that. Oh, ha, 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 ha. So you could just have it as is, but what I like to do is make it snow with some Parmesan cheese. You should only share this with people that you really like. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. And then, this is optional. You could put minced green scallions or put some fresh parsley, like that. I mean, does this look good or does this look good? There you have it. Let's taste the one with some Parmesan cheese and some fresh parsley. The fresh Parmesan cheese just took it to another level of, it's a little bit of saltier taste, but that yummy cheese taste. And then the fresh parsley just made this less greasy tasting. Now, of course, what's calling me is some light beer right now, pronto. You know, it's Friday. Not really, but we'll say it's Friday. Oh, refreshing light beer. Cheers, everyone. Kombe, everyone. 여러분, 참 행복합니다. Oh, I feel so satisfied. It's so refreshing. Oh, I took like 5 gulps or maybe more. This sauce would also be so good with like chicken tenders that you buy at the freezer section. Just dip it together. This sauce would also be so good with fried chicken wings. I have a recipe on fried chicken wings and also extra crispy fried chicken. This would be so good together as a dipping sauce. OMG. So the recipe links are in the description box below, so just go there and check it out and have it with the sauce. I have to have one more. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna eat the whole plate. Ooh, my face is starting to glisten. It is spicy, but very, very comfortable, satisfyingly spicy, not too spicy. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe if you haven't done so. And as always, go to youtube.com/modernpepper and check out my library of Korean recipes as well as Korean fusion recipes. So I will see you there. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here. This is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. What do I say? Do I say